Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to enable disappearing message on Telegram. This is how to do it. Open your Telegram app, click on settings at the bottom and navigate to privacy and security. Here you're going to see where it says auto delete messages. Automatically delete messages for everyone after a period of time in all new chat you start. Now click on this option. You can choose after 1 day, you can choose 1 week, you can choose 1 month, or you can even set a custom time and select up to a year. So it's up to you. If you don't want every chat to automatically delete itself, you can turn this per chat by simply going to the chat, click on the profile of the person, click on more, the 3 dots, and click on enable auto delete. And here you can also set a custom date if you want. So that's how you enable disappearing message on Telegram. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.